That's gonna be really hard to edit. Hey, what's up, everybody? The sound might be a little weird because I'm not using my lav mic today, my clip-on mic, because it's too hot and I don't want to deal with that kind of bull crud. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow, you can give me a subscribe, give a thumbs up, give a thumbs down. Do whatever you feel like because this is a free internet TV channel. So, what? Hi, pals! Today we're doing something a little bit different. It's still kind of like a box, but it's not really a mystery. So around a month and a half ago, I was getting a little desperate for some inventory because no one was releasing mystery boxes. So I asked some folks in Familia Links if they'd like to sell me some of their worn pairs. I got 2 buyouts from people, and this one I'm pretty excited about. I've already opened it just to make sure that everything was there, and I checked for authenticity and everything. Everything's great. This came from a guy on the Discord named Two Feet of Butt Crack, which is just the most phenomenal name I've ever heard. So I actually bought 5 pairs off this dude for $800 total. Shipped. Everything. That's everything. So we're going to kind of do this whole thing. There's clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market and kind of based on my own assumptions. Then we're going to break down the entire box and see, you know, how much this is worth versus how much I paid, because I wanted to be fair to this dude, but I also need to make some money. So there's 5 pairs in here. Let's get these 5 pairs out of the way. So this first pair, it's a Blazer Low Classic in a size 8.5. It's a non-SB Blazer, obviously, but the reason that I got these along with the 4 pairs was because it is a dead stock pair and because I think it's a colorway that people will genuinely like. The colorway is literally just called white, black, and varsity purple. So it's got the varsity purple mudguard, I guess you could say. Toe cap is a little bit gray. It's a clean pair with a black swoosh, and there's some little bit of gray on the heel. I mean, obviously unworn. People just love purple shoes, and I don't know why, but I think this is an okay colorway, and it was kind of like a pair that I had to buy along with the other 4, so these, I don't need to clean up or anything, so these will be on the website today too. There you go, 8.5. All these pairs are 8.5, so 8.5, gang. If you're a fan of SB stuff, this video is going to be for you. Well, it's actually for everybody. All the rest are SBs, which I'm very excited about, and they're all pink box and silver box SB. There's actually one silver box. It's a Dunk Low in a size 8.5. Good old silver box, the heyday of Nike SB. This is a 2000 and I want to say 5 or 6 release. The colorway is called Orange Blaze and Midnight Navy. A lot of people call this the Broncos colorway because it's pretty similar to the Denver Broncos team colors of this era. But overall, the condition, you can see inside there's still a lot of branding left on the insole. It's leather and nubuck. There's not a lot of wear on the outsole. There's pretty much all the stars and almost no heel drag on these. So these are in really great shape. I just got to clean them up, and I'm going to try and de-yellow the midsole. But again, a very, very cool pair. I used to have them. The biggest gripe I had with this pair is that the tongue, as you can tell, is a little bit thinner, and it's leather. So it's not as pliable as a lot of the other Dunk SBs, but there you go. There's the first pair out. All the rest are pink boxes. We got another 8.5 in the pink box. So this colorway is not one of my favorites, but the colorway is called Vapors. It's nubuck. There's leather, nubuck swoosh. A lot of very fall-inspired colors. Again, not much wear on the outsole. No star loss. Very little heel drag. There is a tiny bit of separation, which is going to happen because these came out in like 2004 or something like that. So they're old. But when you have a shoe that's older than most 7th graders, it's going to happen. Very, very nice colorway. Again, very little wear on the insole. They just need to be cleaned up. I don't know if there's secondary laces with these. There might be, probably hiding here. But it's got the original box and the original paper, which is very cool. And these are just becoming harder and harder to find. There's a big truck outside. It's probably going to pick that up. Whatever, I don't care. Boom, 8.5 Vapors, very cool. Another pink box. It is, again, a size 8.5. It's a Dunk Low Pro SB. This is a colorway that I never really got into, but a lot of people thought I would because of my affinity for blue and yellow. These are the original Boca Juniors. It's named after, I think, a football club somewhere. I don't remember where, but it's really nice leather all around, blue and yellow. Again, not much wear on the insole. The midsoles are actually in really great shape. There is no separation, it looks like, even as I'm pressing on it. I mean, I could be screwing myself by doing that, but this is a really nice colorway. Outsoles are gum, and they're in great shape too. These, again, just need a cleanup, but look at that, no star loss or nothing. These are just a really cool colorway. I don't care what anybody says. I don't know if there is the secondary laces in here. I don't think there is, but this is just a really well put together shoe. It's simple, but the colorway is loud enough, I guess you could say so. Boca Juniors, 8.5, Dunk Low, very cool. And the last one is another pink box. It's an 8.5, again, Dunk Low Pro. This is one I was very excited about. So it does not have the secondary laces, which is kind of a bummer, but this is as simple as you can get. This is the Halloween Dunk from 2005 or 4, I don't remember. There was a Dunk Mid with the strap that kind of retroed, I guess you could say, but it's an all black suede upper, black midsole, gum outsole, but there's little hints of orange on the tongue and on the heel. So that's where that comes into play. It normally has secondary laces that are orange, but it does not include these. But for such an old shoe, just like the other ones, this is in really, really, really great shape. So this will be available on the website today too. So 8.5 SB heads. This video, you better be hitting the like button on that. Yeah! I'm joking, don't do that. But yeah, this is a very cool pair. So there it is. That was an $800 buyout from very good friend from Familia, 2 foot of butt crack. Let's take a look at the breakdown and see how much money we can possibly make off of this buyout. The SB market is so volatile right now that it's constantly changing just because there's so many pairs that people are just now finding out about because of Travis Scott. So there's a lot of people that are looking for pairs that they just are hard to find. And these pairs are extremely hard to find too. I offered him what I thought was fair. I hope he agrees. If he didn't agree, he probably wouldn't have bought them. But hey, whatever. Yeah, very, very cool. Remember to check out the website today, sbmitch.com. These will all be for sale at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you to 2 foot. I appreciate you doing business with me. I have a 16 pair buyout that we're going to unbox next week too, so that will be really cool. There's a lot of Jordans in there and just a myriad of sizes. So everyone should be looking forward to that if you're into that. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I do have beater boxes on the way. They're not here yet, but hopefully with the world kind of returning to normal, well, no. The world is returning to normal. The United States is not really returning to normal. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you sometime next time. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.